Hey everyone, so today I got my package from Shopee. Drum roll please. This is the E.Hamilton Mythology, Timeless Tales of Gods and Heroes, 75th Anniversary Illustrated Edition. So pretty. Look at that. The texture is like rubbery, and I'm not sure if you can see it on the screen, but this looks like it's not really gold, but it's a bit it's like brass, like orange, metallic orange type. So pretty. Let's see. It's packaged well, no dents, which is good. Alright, now the moment of truth. Ooh. Oh my god, it's bronze. There you go. The color is bronze. It's not brass. It's bronze. It's so shiny. Oh no. There's a little dent here on the edge. Darn. But I can live with it. Alright. Okay. So there's a protective cover. So premium. The feel is so premium, and I like the edges of the page right here. It's so Greeky. Look at that. So nice. The smell of a new book is so Alright, so this is illustrated. So let's see the first illustration. Oh wow! The principal gods, it's in bronze. The page is in bronze. Okay. The 12 Olympians, Divine Family. And this is the first illustration. Looks so good. Look at that. Ooh. So nice. Oh, it's so worth it. Ooh, this is a really cool portrait of Medusa. The Journey of Odysseus. Look, the colors are so vibrant. It's so pretty. There. I think all of the paintings look amazing. This is really a collector's item. This is something that you can give to your kids. And Greek mythology is a universal classic book. It never gets old. So that is my unboxing and first impression of the Edith Hamilton Mythology, Timeless Tales of Gods and Heroes.